is the 2023 Triumph, the 32T. This is some leftover stock we have left, so we got a good deal on it. We got a marked below invoice right now. It's brand new, full warranty, so it's not like it's lacking anything or no reason. We just have it marked down as we're trying to move it. One thing you're gonna notice right away is this actually has the slide out covers on it, slide out awning. That's gonna make sure you don't have anything on top of your slide out when you run it in and out. It's just real convenient, and they're already thrown on there, usually aftermarket or add-ons, and this one's already has it on it. So that's something that you don't have to worry about purchasing. You have a nice 15-foot awning here, so this is gonna give you plenty of living space out here. Lots of storage underneath. You'll notice there's storage compartments. They really, they give you plenty of storage to take everything with you on the road. This is going to be the E450, so it's going to be Super Duty. It's going to be a Ford chassis. It's going to be a little bit better on gas of all the diesel engines and the gas. So it's going to be a little bit better on you for that. And then, yeah, I mean, it just looks slick too. It's a white body with a lot of decals on it, so it's going to look great going down the road. You got an electric step here that comes out when you open the door. This is real convenient because it isn't hanging out or anything like that. You don't have to worry about taking it down when you get camping. All you do is open the door and it'll slide out for you. So that's real slick. We'll head on inside. There's a lot of features to talk about in here. So right away when you walk into a Nexus, you know it's a Nexus because their quality really separates from the rest of the competition. I mean, they use solid surface countertops. They give you the nice brand TVs here. This dinette right here will go down, and then those covers will lay over, and this can be utilized as a bed. And then these also have seat belts in them, so you can sit in here driving safely, buckled in. So you can utilize that. And you also can utilize this couch right here. This also has seat belts in it, so you can utilize that while going down the road as well. You get a 3-burner cooktop over here. This is going to be propane. It's going to be gas. That's nice to have. Then with your traditional oven too. So this is going to be both. That's always nice to have. Camping in the winter or fall, it gets a little chilly. You want to camp and cook inside. That gives you that option to do that. Nice Greystone microwave. These are going to be what's in typically all your campers and RVs. It's a great brand. They really back their warranties real well. So yeah, coming up here in the cab, you have the bed up top. This will fold down, so you can utilize this as sleeping as well. And if you want to take a peek over here, this is your Ford. It's just your typical E-Series cab. They give you a lot of foot room, and it's a real comfy drive. The seats are real comfortable. The seats will swivel too, so you can bring those behind you. Yeah, so this is a great motorhome option. Lots of comfort. You can seat a lot of people. Yeah, so they really thought of everything in here as well. The sink, they give you a dual basin sink, and it's a nice size sink. You have it on both sides, same way. That's always nice to have. You can separate the dishes from everything else. Refrigerator is going to be your standard gas and electric refrigerator, and it's going to be fridge and freezer. So they give you a lot of room there to work with as well, and that's nice because you can run it off both. You don't have to worry about one or the other. This is the 32T, so this actually is going to have bunk beds, and this is real rare in these motorhomes because there's really not a lot of room to put them, but they found a way to make it work. They actually give you a slide out for it. So this will slide out, and then this will slide out, and then that gives you plenty of room here in the bedroom and bunk room. So you have the bunk beds there, and then this bed back here itself is going to be a queen size bed, and there's plenty of room to walk around. So that's real nice. You can walk around the bed all the way around, and they also give you 2 nightstands here. So CPAP machines, phone chargers, anything like that can go all there. They give you some nice closets. They give you these on both sides. I'll open this one. So both sides you have your closet space there, and Nexus also does the hidden storage behind the TV as well. So you can put anything back there you want, guns, jewelry, money, anything like that. It has to be a good spot for it. We'll go back here and slide into the bathroom here. So you'll notice on this Nexus bathroom is they actually give you a lot of space in there. So you have plenty of room to sit on the toilet and your knees aren't hitting anything. Nice medicine cabinet with a nice sink set up too. And the shower is actually, it's going to be a nice size shower. I'll go ahead and open this so you guys can see it here. This shower isn't going to be your traditional corner shower. It's going to be plenty of room for you to stand in it and do what you have to do, and you're not going to feel too cramped. So it's nice that you give you a full-size shower because a lot of these motorhomes don't really have the most comfortable showers. Coming back in here too, I did forget to mention all the overhead storage you're going to get. So not only do they give you all the storage underneath the coach itself, but they also give you, I mean, there's plenty of storage here for games, anything, groceries, anything you really need to put in there. They give you a lot of storage on both sides. This does come down into a bed, so you can sleep 1 to 2 there, 1 to 2 there, 2 in the bunk beds, and then 2 back there, and then you're also getting 1 up here as well. So this is the ultimate family coach. You can sleep the whole family and some friends, and you can take them with you just about anywhere. Yeah. So, and then another thing too with a motorhome, kind of obviously you're going to travel with a motorhome. So what we do here that's different from any other dealership is we offer a nationwide service network. So let's say you take this to Wyoming or out west and you go on like a 3-week long trip, and on your way home something goes wrong and it breaks down. We can get you service over there. We can get you taken care of. You just give us a call. We have service centers all across the country and Canada. That's a real cool feature in motorhome buyers. That's one thing that a lot of them are wary about. It's because there are dealerships that will send them off and they won't even talk to them again if something goes wrong. So that's really what we hang our hat on here, is our service after the sale. And and even Nexus is also all quality too, so they're going to take care of you as well. So this is a great floor plan, great unit, and I'd recommend this one 10 out of 10 times if someone says look for a motorhome for their family.